Um, these shoes have had better days. Hi freaks, welcome back to Hi Stylin. I may have tried some more hair experiments, but we don't need to talk about it. Let's see what Jaime's gonna have me wear. Ooh, I like the colors. Okay. This is like multiple outfits in one outfit. Another heavy layering day. At least it's not so hot this time. I don't have either of those pairs of earrings, nor have I ever. But other than that, I think we can do it. These gloves don't have touchscreen capabilities, so this is already really annoying trying to record in this. But here's the outfit. It's a lot. I wasn't even sure what to do with all the layers. I just put this sweater over my shoulders like a J. Crew catalog, which it is a J. Crew sweater, so that works. Not a very J. Crew outfit, I have to say. And then I just put the scarf over my head to keep my hair covered, because let's just keep doing that. The gloves with this is kind of fun. It's like we're going somewhere fancy, but we're underdressed and overdressed somehow. But yeah, I like what Jaime's doing with the pink skirt lately. I just think it needs a lot of work. Um, these shoes have had better days. I keep meaning to get this fixed, but I love these shoes. The first thing I want to do is probably something about the footwear because I feel like I'm stretching these shoes out with these super thick socks. I just added these earrings, and you can see why we were hiding the hair. And then I took off the sweater and the socks and added the strap to the bag because I kind of forgot about the gloves, so I was just trying to make the whole thing more casual. Um, and then put the scarf here. I liked it until I put the gloves back on. I feel like I can't just ignore those. Like I don't feel like we need to replace the socks or the sweater, but the gloves are kind of unique and I feel like if I just take those off, I'm not really honoring the original look. So like maybe I should try to make it fancy. Let's play around with it. What I really think would be best would be if I just had some casual arm warmers, but I don't have anything like that. So I either need to make it look like I'm going to the opera or make it not look like I'm going to the opera in this. These shoes are so dangerous. I keep almost tripping. As much as I really liked the layered look that we had going, I think I kind of like how it is pared down. So I took the strap off the bag again so we can have a little clutch, and then I'm using the scarf as kind of a wrap, and the gloves don't look so out of place now. The leggings really do. So oh, and I forgot I forgot all about that we're wearing a sports bra. It sort of just blends in, but I'm thinking maybe we trade this for the matching leggings. They're not quite as long, so they won't even show that much anyway. Let's try that. Yes, it's so much better with these leggings. It's perfect. Of course, if we were really being fancy, we wouldn't be wearing leggings, but nothing about this is actually fancy. Like the shoes are low heeled and the earrings are silly. There's too many prints. This bag is really plain. It's just kind of casually fancy. This is such a different direction than I thought we were going to go with this, but I really like how it ended up. Where would I wear this? I should wear this to the cobbler and get this shoe fixed, and then maybe to the hairdresser. But I think I would wear this if my niece or nephew were in some kind of production, like a play, and I would wear this to go support them. And then they can pretend like they don't know me. What about you? Would you wear this? Where would you wear this? And who do you think won this look? Regular me or Jaime? Thanks for watching.